Hello students, welcome once again, and we have a question over here. Now so we should find the value of s when 2 minus 3 exponent negative s plus 3 exponent s plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have to find the value of x. So let's start. So we have 2 minus 3 to the power negative x plus 3 x plus 1 equal to 0. Now with this equation over there, I can write it this way. So I have 1 over 3 to the power x, right? Then plus 3 to the power x, then multiplied by 3 exponent 1 is equal to 0. So what I want to do next is to find the LCM of this. So finding the LCM is just 3 to the power x. So if the LCM is 3 to the power x, then 3 to the power x goes into 1, then 3 to the power x multiplied by 2. So it's just 2 multiplied by 3 to the power x, then minus 3 goes into 3 power x goes into 3 power x, 1 multiplies 1 is 1, then 3 power x goes into 1, then we still have 3 power x. So it's just 3 power x here multiplied by 3 power x, then dot 3, right, being equal to 0. So this is what we have, and what we are going to do next is that we are going to cross multiply. So 3 power x goes to this side, goes to 0. So we have 2 power 2 multiplied by 3 power x, then minus 1 plus, now this and that we can multiply them, so we can have 3, then we can have x plus x, then still multiplied by 3 equal to 0. Now we have 2 multiplied by 3 power x, then minus 1, then we have 2x multiplied by 3 is equal to 0. So we have 3 power that, and we have that. So let's write it in an appropriate way. So we have 3 power x, then multiplied by 2, then we have 3 equal to 0. Now I have 3 power x, 3 power x. So what I'm going to do now is that we are going to set a variable to 3 power x. So we say let a equal to 3 power x, so that if a equal to 3 power x, we have 2 multiplied by 3 power x is a, then minus 1 plus 3 power x is a squared, then multiplied by 3. So we have 2a minus 1 plus 3a squared equal to 0. Alright, so let's continue here. Then from here we have let's write this in a proper way. So we have 3a plus 2a minus 1 equal to 0. So let's continue here. Now this is a quadratic equation. What we are going to do is that the coefficient of 3 here multiplies 1 here, we have negative 3. So we're going to find two values that when we multiply these values, we get negative 3. When we add these two values, we get positive 2. So these values are, and these values are 3 and 1. We have 3 and 1. When we multiply 3 and 1, we get 3, right? So we want to get negative 3. So we set the negative here because 3 minus 1 is just positive 2. Right? So we have 3 and negative 1. So we have 3a squared. Then we have plus 3a, then minus a, then minus 1. So 3a minus a is just 2a. So we have this. Now what we are going to do here is to factorize. So we have over here this and that. The common one here is a. So factorize 3a outside. Then we have a here plus 1. Then over here too we have negative outside. Then we have a plus 1 being equal to 0. So we have a plus 1 here, and also 3a minus 1. So 3a minus 1 equal to 0. Now we have a plus 1 equal to 0. Then we have a being equal to negative 1. then 3a minus 1 equal to 0. Then the value of a will just be 1 over 3. Now what we are going to do over here is that we are going to choose the value of a, the right value of a. Now we are going to discard negative 1, so we discard a equal to negative 1, because when we have 3 to the power x is always positive. So 3 to the power s is always positive. It's always positive. So we discard a equal to negative 1. Then we take a. So if a is equal to 1 over 3, and we set over here what we did over here is that we said let a equal to 3 to the power x. So we have a equal to 3 to the power x. Then we substitute the value of a. So we have 1 over 3 here being equal to 3 to the power that. Then we have we take 3 to the top there. We have 3 negative 1 equal to 3x. Then since the bases are the same, we only equate the exponent. So we have x equal to negative 1. And we are done. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in another section.